18Birdies app review 2025 pros and cons, authentic and genuine. In 2025, the 18Birdies app is a trusted all-in-one golf, GPS, and game enhancement tool used by millions. It provides precise GPS distances to greens, hazard, and custom markers across more than 43,000 courses worldwide, serving as an effective digital caddy. Its key free features include a digital scoreboard, automatic handicap calculation, round stats and history, plus Apple Watch and other wearable integrations so you can keep your phone tucked away while on the course. The subscription-based premium version offers real-time club suggestions, plays like distances, advanced shot tracking, and an AI-powered swing analyzer with personalized video feedback and in-depth stats including strokes gained analysis. 18Birdies also features social elements, enabling users to connect with friends, enter tournaments, and participate in engaging side games like Skins and Wolf. Some users mention a learning curve and occasional syncing glitches, but overall the app successfully combines robust features with an intuitive design for golfers of all skill levels. To sum up, 18Birdies is a genuine feature-packed golf app ideal for players committed to tracking, improving, and enjoying their game. Its mix of GPS precision, training tools, and social options make it a leading choice in 2025. Be sure to factor in premium pricing and device compatibility before deciding. Subscribe.